If you want a cleaner, simpler way to work in Microsoft Word, switching to Draft View is a great option. Draft View is especially useful when you want to focus on the text itself without distractions from page layout, margins, headers, footers, or other design elements. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch to Draft View in Word in just a few seconds. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Word tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, look at the top ribbon where all the main tabs are located. You'll see tabs like Home, Insert, Draw, Layout, and View. To change the way your document is displayed, click on the View tab. This is where Word keeps all the different viewing options. So if you ever want to change how your document looks on screen, this is the place to go. After clicking the View tab, look for the Views group on the ribbon. In this section, you'll usually see options like Read Mode, Print Layout, Web Layout, Outline, and Draft. Since we want to switch to Draft View, simply click Draft. As soon as you select it, Word will change the document display to Draft Mode. Once Draft View is enabled, you'll notice the page layout becomes much more minimal. This makes it easier to type, edit, and review long documents without being distracted by the visual formatting of the page. It's a really helpful view if you're focused on writing, proofreading, or making quick text edits. If you ever want to switch back to a more visual layout, just return to the View tab and choose Print Layout instead. That will bring back the full page view so you can see your document exactly how it will print, and that's all there is to it. To switch to Draft View in Word, go to the View tab on the top ribbon and select Draft in the Views group. It's fast, simple, and extremely useful when you want a cleaner editing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tips, tutorials, and productivity shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.